Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your TikTok account on TikTok app. So make sure you follow my steps till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account in TikTok and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface of TikTok apps on the screen, where you can see profile icon at bottom right corner. Once you tap on it, you will be redirected to your profile page, where you can see menu option at top right corner. Simply tap there, and now you can see settings and privacy option pops out just down below the screen. You simply need to click on settings and privacy option, and now you can see account option at top. Just tap there, and now you can see deactivate or delete account. You simply need to select that option, and now finally you can see two options: deactivate account and another is delete account permanently. You simply need to select delete account permanently option, and now finally it will ask you for the reason why you want to leave TikTok or why you want to delete TikTok. You simply need to choose any of the option and finally click on continue, and you will be able to delete your TikTok account successfully. Or you can also skip it as well, which you can see skip option at top right corner. And basically this is how you can delete TikTok account on TikTok app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.